Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khambagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class. How's everybody doing? कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे? Hello guys. Hi Bindu Binu, hello Tamashri, good evening. Is this session for grade 9? Yes. This is for CBSE 9. You can see the title over here, right? This is for CBSE 9 constructions. All right. Hello Vikashini ji. Hello Shakti. Hello. Welcome to the session. Good evening Shreya. Good evening beta. Good evening. How are you all guys? कैसे हो सारे बच्चे? Amazing. Awesome. First class. Right. चलो very well done. Hello Kishle. Hello Nazima. है ना? Wonderful guys. Wonderful. Amazing. So as you all know guys that today we are starting the topic basic constructions. है ना? Construction is there in your this thing term 2 तो करना पड़ेगा, right? And it's a easy topic. ठीक है? So first thing first, before we move ahead guys, please share this video with your friends right now so that more students can join the session and we'll be having lots and lots of fun, right? Hello Shreya, I am awesome beta, I am awesome, thank you so much. Okay, so bacha party, let us start with the first topic, which is basic construction. Now before I move ahead, let me tell you one thing guys, that if you have not downloaded Vedantu's app yet, do download the Vedantu app, because now you have Vedantu's play mode as well in your app. So what does this play mode do beta? Play mode में क्या है कि we have gamified the learning, है ना? In this you will be playing the games and those games will be helping you in completing your syllabus. The games are based on your your syllabus, right? So when this gamified approach is given, first thing, you will be very interested in playing that, right? Also you'll be getting points for completing the games, you are getting points for completing the daily challenges, and you can use those points to be at the top of the leaderboard and also get prizes, right? So just download the app and also complete the daily events, some live events, complete them, get more points. You can see the leaderboard, daily leaderboard, weekly leaderboard, monthly leaderboard, and then you can see like what is the challenges, right? Solve those questions, get the correct answer, you'll be getting the points for that. Collect those points and yes, you'll be getting rewards for those points. For example, you can use those points to get the scholarship in Vedantu's admission. ठीक है? ओके बच्चों, ठीक है? Kishle ji, thank you so much for taking that this disclaimer that yes guys, take your geometry box for the practice. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा. चलो, सो कंस्ट्रक्शन बेटा निकालते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ एंगल्स, will be understanding constructors of perpendicular bisectors, then we'll be looking at construction of equilateral triangles, and then the question where the sum or the difference of the sides is given and one base angle will be given and you have to draw the triangle. ठीक है बिंदु बेटा, ऐप, go for the app. ठीक है, all right, okay. चलो, so let us start with our first session. This is the type of question which you will be able to solve by the end of this session. अच्छा question, construct an equilateral triangle each of whose altitudes measure 5.4 centimeter. Altitude, the length is given and you have to create say draw the equilateral triangle. समझ रहे हो? So that is what the question is about and we'll be able to solve this as well, don't worry. Okay, ठीक है? Sir, is there a mentee? Jaideep beta, in this it won't be possible to have mentee इसमें तो possible नहीं होगा. No Kishle, you can download the app and you can start playing. ठीक है? So mentee इसमें नहीं है because construction है. I'll be teaching how to do that. Okay, so guys, be ready with your this thing geometry box. Especially you should have, देखो, especially at the first point you should have a pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale and compass. ठीक है, ये 5 things important है and sometimes this protector is also needed. बाकी तो जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, clear? All right, ठीक है. चलो, so first we'll be understanding how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Suppose you have this line segment AB. Now I am obviously going to draw a rough diagram. Let's say guys you have a line segment AB. Now on this line segment AB, you want to draw the perpendicular bisector for this line segment. So you know the meaning of perpendicular bisector? That line which will be perpendicular to AB as well as dividing it into two equal parts. So for that construction, what you'll do, you'll keep the tip of the compass here, pencil use karo, ठीक है? Keep the tip of the compass at A, open compass more than half, say up to this length, make one cut at the top like this and make one cut at the bottom like this. Now do not change the compass length. Whatever size of compass length you have opened, keeping the same size of open compass, keep the tip of the compass at B now. Alright, keep the tip of the compass at B, make one cut over, where it is? Make one cut over here. It is going to be a rough diagram guys, okay, so do understand that as well. So open more than half, keep one cut over here and another cut over here. These two arcs should intersect. Okay? Now join these two intersection point with the help of a scale. Join these two intersection point with the help of a scale. This line will be your required perpendicular bisector. This line will be your required perpendicular bisector. Okay? And you will be able to say that AM will be equal to BM. Okay? AM is equal to BM. Clear guys? Is it clear? Perpendicular bisector, how to draw perpendicular bisector, is this clear guys? Any doubt? कोई doubt है तो बोलो जल्दी से. No doubts? ठीक है? Alright बेटा. So this is how you'll be drawing the perpendicular bisector. ठीक है? Sir, beta, I think I have given the reason for that. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead. Next topic देखते हैं. Next thing, now you can easily solve these questions. कि भाई AB is 5.6 centimeter, draw its perpendicular bisector. Measure the length of each part. So each part will be 2.8 centimeter. ठीक है, इसको कुछ ऐसा है नहीं, सेम तरीके से सॉल्व करना है. 8.4 centimeter. अच्छा, this question you can see. Draw a line segment of 8.4 centimeter. Divide PQ into 4 equal parts using ruler and compass. So suppose we start with this line PQ. हम लोगों ने start किया with this line PQ and we'll start with the perpendicular bisector. चलो, we'll be opening the compass more than half, one cut at the top, one cut at the bottom. Similar tip at the Q, one cut at the top, one cut at the bottom. Joining these two will get your perpendicular bisector. Alright. So let's say you have got this point A. Now, if I draw the perpendicular bisector of PA, that means keep the tip of the compass over here, cut one arc, keep tip of compass at A, one more arc over here, similarly one over here, one more over here, and we draw the perpendicular bisector through it. Similarly for AQ as well, open more than half, here also at the bottom, open more than half, here also at the bottom, join it through like this. Alright, so let's say this will be your point B, this will be your point C. So I can say PB and AB will be equal here, and obviously at the starting PA and AQ are equal, so their halves are also going to be equal. So this is how you will be getting all 4 equal parts. Beta Saksham, today there is no Menti, yaar. No Menti. ठीक है? Clear? Any doubt in this particular question? ये question थोड़ा सा हल्का सा little important, that is why I asked this. ठीक है? Clear है? This will be in 4 equal parts. देखो at the starting I know that PA and AQ will be equal, both will be equal to half of PQ. So they will be equal to 8.4 by 2, which is equal to 4.2 centimeters. And now PB and AB will be equal to half of PA, which is 4.2 by 2, which is 2.1 centimeter. And similarly AC and CQ both will be half of AQ, which is equal to 4.2 by 2, which is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So you'll get PB, AB, AC, CQ all are equal to 2.1 centimeter. So we divided into 4 equal parts. ठीक है बच्चा? This is how we'll divide it into 4 equal parts. Now moving on, as you all know guys, Vedantu's live interactive courses, you can definitely go and opt for it. The features which you'll be getting with Vedantu's Pro subscription, first thing you get live online classes and you can attend unlimited classes, as many classes as you want, no restrictions over that. ठीक है. Second thing will be completing your entire syllabus. The whole syllabus will be covered, and we'll be making sure that whatever topic we are teaching, we will be provided notes for those topics as well. Notes मिलेंगे, ठीक है, and those notes will be in the handwriting of the master teachers. ठीक है. Also, all your doubts will be instantly resolved with the help of class teachers present in the class. So not only master teachers, other than master teachers, we have class teachers present in the class who will be taking care of all your doubts. Other than that, we'll be providing you assignments so that you can practice. Practice makes a man perfect, right? So you can practice on all these problems, है ना? The more problems you'll solve, the more confident you'll feel. Also, once you feel confident, we'll be arranging mock test for you. There will be test series available for you, and when you will be attempting those test series, you'll get to know how many marks you are scoring, where you are lacking, whether your time management is correct or not, are you making silly mistakes. All those answers you'll get before examination so that you can work on it. And yes, once you get where you are facing difficulty, if you are facing difficulty some particular topic, you can always opt for micro courses. These are chapter specific courses with the help of which, like, you can revise a topic as many times as you want. So throughout any step, anywhere you need something, Vedantu will be there. Once you go for Vedantu's Pro subscription, registration for that is a very easy thing. Just go to the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video or in the pinned comment as well. Just go there and apply the coupon code GPE Pro, which will give you 10% off right now. Okay, it's pretty easy. What you need to do is, suppose if you come to the description box, okay, here in the description box guys, here you can see कि भाई ये रहा, yes, class 9th के लिए, class 10th के लिए, for example for grade 9th, here you can see CBSE Term 2 full syllabus. Just click on that link, you'll be taken to the registration page. If you want to change your grade or course, click here on change. Okay, click here on change and you can change your grade 9th, and here I have taken Term 2 full syllabus. Okay, alright, we'll click on get started. Here you will see after applying GPE Pro, the price is giving you 10% off. From 8,000 it will become 7,200, and from 10,000 it will become 9,000. Alright, GPE Pro. You can also start with trial as well. You can try this as well, right? So on trial period also you can apply GPE Pro and you'll get 10% off as well, be it Pro Lite or Pro Classic. The only difference between these two is, in Pro Classic you get doubt solving on mobile app as well. You get the doubt solving facility 24/7. You will be having access to doubts app. Any doubt you are having, put it in the doubts app, your doubt will be resolved. So that's one extra feature you're getting, and which is a very important feature before the examination or whenever you're doing the self practice. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों? Okay, चलो, let's move ahead. So proof is given in the books. Is it necessary for exam? Generally they don't ask, but only for your sake of knowledge you can study, but generally it is not asked. पूछते नहीं है, ठीक है? But verification is very easy. If you want to see, verification is pretty easy. Congruency of triangles, based on that they are giving the verification. All right, Bindu beta, no. Acha, if I have seen that some of you are thinking of the proof कि sir इसका proof verification, how do we verify this? So verification, देखो here it is written. If you'll see, it will be pretty easy. देखो, if I draw the arcs like this, AP and AQ, so these are the arcs with the same length. We have drawn BP and BQ. So I have drawn these arc with same radius. So I can say AP, BP, AQ, BQ all are equal. And here you will see PQ is the common side. So I can say triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle PBQ by SSS rule. If they are congruent, I can say angle APM is equal to angle BPM. CPCT, these two angles are equal. Now in triangle PMA and triangle PMB, you have AP and BP equal to each other. This side PM is the common side, and this angle is equal. You can say by side angle side rule both the triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, you will get that AM is equal to BM. It is bisector. Also angle PMA will be equal to angle PMB. They are linear pair as well, so both has to be 90. So it will be perpendicular bisector. ठीक है? This is the proof, nothing else. और कुछ है ही नहीं proof इसका. This is the proof for simple. देखो congruency का है. That is I am telling you. Not that important. If you want, you can go through it. I have done this. Okay. Then the next topic we have is construction of the bisector of a given angle. अब इसमें proof will not be asked. Don't worry, proof will not be asked in this particular topic. But yes, constructing a triangle is very important. A bisector of any angle is very important. Suppose if you draw any angle you like, any angle, कोई भी angle you draw, any angle you like, you draw it. Now what you'll do? Keep the tip of the compass at the vertex and make one arc like this. Make one arc like this. Now, wherever the arc has intersected with the arms, at those 2 points, keep the tip and open the compass in such a way that if you make 2 arcs, one arc from over here and keeping the tip of the compass over here, if you make another arc from over here, both the arcs will be intersecting. Join the vertex with that intersection point. This will be your angle bisector. This will be your angle bisector. Beta bindu, I have told no, it is for anyone. ठीक है? Is it clear, guys? What I have done? Again, listen one more time. First thing, what you will do? First thing, keep the tip of the compass at this vertex. Keep the tip of the compass at this vertex and make one arc. Wherever that arc is intersecting the 2 arms, from there again make 2 arcs intersect. These 2 arcs should be equal. Huh? These 2 arcs which you are making, these 2 arcs should be equal. है ना? उसमें open same करना है. All right? Is it clear? ठीक है? So this is your angle bisector. Now same process will be for an obtuse angle also. ऐसा नहीं obtuse angle में will be changing our this or something, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है? In obtuse angle also same thing will be used over here. Keep the tip of the compass and make one arc. Then open the compass enough such that if you make 2 equal arcs, they intersect. Wherever they will be intersecting, join the vertex through that line. This will be your angle bisector. Alright. Which measurement should we take to make arcs? Beta, that measurement is anything. कुछ भी measurement चलेगा. It should be fitting into that. ठीक है? Alright. It should be anything. Only thing, they should be able to intersect. Intersect होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Okay बच्चों. Now once we have drawn the construction, इसका construction हो गया. Then there is one more thing कि भाई bisect या obtuse angle वाला तो I have done this. ठीक है? You can do this easy है. Drawing some angles. अब देखो angles, कुछ एक angles which are very important to draw. One is 60 degree, then 120 degree, 180 degree, then 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 15 degree. कुछ angles ऐसे very important. ठीक है? So देखो, first I will show you how to draw 60 degree. 60 degree कैसे draw करना है बेटा? So it's very easy. First you will draw a line. Line draw किया ऐसा? At the vertex where you want the angle, make one semicircle like this, as a semicircle-ish. ठीक है? make one semicircular arc like this. Now keeping the compass same, without changing the compass length, keeping the compass length same, when you put tip of the compass at this point and make your first intersection, this point will give you the angle of 60 degree. This point gives you an angle of 60 degree. ठीक है? Similarly, if you want to draw an angle of 120 degrees, same your logic if you'll apply. Let's say over here I will put one semicircular arc. Now if I put my first angle, it will be 60 degree. Now what you'll do, keep the tip of the compass at this point, and if we go for one more 60 degree over here, so this will be 60 plus 60, total 120 degree. ठीक है? So this is going to be 120 degree. Alright, and if you make one more arc, then this will give you 180 degree. Is this clear? 60, 60, 60. ठीक है? We'll do, Shreya will do all those questions, don't worry. ठीक है? 60, 120 is clear? 60, 120 is clear? Alright, we'll do all those questions as well, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, now what are the other angles which can be drawn? Some other angles can also be drawn with that. For example, let us say I'll show all of them in the single page so that you'll be able to understand. Suppose if I start with this. Alright, I make one nice semicircle here, at least I'll keep somewhere over here. ठीक है? Let's say this is one semicircle I am drawing. Okay, this is one semicircle we have drawn. As you all know guys, first angle give you 60 degrees, second one give you 120 degree, third one give you 180 degree. Alright, so this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, and this is 180 degree. So this is 0 degree, here you got 60 degree, here you got 120 degree, here you got 180 degree. Right? Now if I draw the angle bisector between 60 and 0 degree, ठीक है? If I draw the angle bisector of 60 and 0 degree, the angle which I will be getting will be of 30 degree. Similarly, between 60 and 90, if I draw the angle bisector, I will be getting 90 degree. Similarly, between 120 and 180, if I draw the angle bisector, so between them which angle will be having? 150 degree. Right, this is the rough diagram I am making. Correct? Again, you can further draw the bisectors over here. You can further draw the bisectors between 30 and 0 degree. If you draw the bisectors over here, suppose here and here, this angle will be equal to 15 degrees. Between 30 and 60, over here, you'll be getting 45 degree. Between 60 and 90, you'll be getting 75 degree. Between 90 and 120, angle bisector, you'll be getting 105 degrees. Between 120 and 150, you'll be getting bisectors of 135 degrees. And between 150 and 180, you'll be getting the bisector as 165 degrees. Right? So these are the different ways with the help of bisectors, you can draw all the different angles. Ab dekho, there is different tricks also. For example, if I tell you to draw 45 degree, one way of doing that will be draw 60, then draw 30. Between 60 and 30, you'll get 45. Another way for drawing that would be ki, sir, what I'll do, first I will draw the angle of 90 degree. Alright, 60, 120, between 60 and 120 you have got 90 degree. And if I draw the angle bisector, if I draw the angle bisector of 90 and 0, 90 and 0 का angle bisector will be giving me 45 degree. So this is also one more way for doing that. Is this clear? All right. Now one question you asked me that draw 22.5 degree. So 22.5 degree के लिए बेटा which angle I need to bisect? Which angle I need to bisect? You'll get to know कि 22.5 degree is half of 45. Double करके देखो 22.5 double is 45. So what will say कि bisect 45 degree. Right? So if this angle of 45 degree, if I bisect it further, then this angle will be 22.5 degrees. Right? Yes, between 15 and 30 also it will be correct. ठीक है? All right. Clear है बेटा? Clear? Okay बच्चों, चलो. So this way you can draw different angles. For example, 15 degree I have told you, 30 degree बनाओ and bisect 30 degree. What you'll do first? Wait. First we'll get 60. ठीक है? First we will say चलो sir, first let us get 60. This is 60. Chalo, this is 60. Draw the bisector of 60. Draw the bisector of 60. So one over here, another over here. You'll be getting 30. Draw the bisector of 30 further. One over here and then one another over here. Then you'll get your 15 degrees. Right? Okay. So 60 bisect you'll get 30, 30 bisect you'll get 15 degrees. Very good, very good. Okay, bacha. Chalo. Now let's look at this question. Construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. Matlab side is given. Let's say side you can take anything as 5 centimeters. Anything you want. है ना? Construct an equilateral triangle. तो बेटा देखो, in these kind of construction, look at the rough diagram. देखो, rough diagram of equilateral triangle. We know in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. And all angles are also equal, and all equal angles are equal to what? 60 degrees. They are equal to what? 60 degrees. अब this can be drawn in many ways. ये equilateral triangle you can draw in different ways. Suppose first way, if I want to tell you, is let's say you will start with the side BC. एक side BC draw कर लो बेटा. Draw a side BC of the side 5 centimeter. ठीक है? Then what you'll do? At B, draw an angle of 60 degree. Angle of 60 degree you have drawn. Alright. At C also, draw an angle of 60 degree. Wherever these two will intersect, that will be your required point A. है ना? That is one way of doing that. Second way of doing it could be first way. Second way of that way could be कि भाई first draw BC. Draw BC. Whatever is the length, open the compass till that length. B पे compass रख के make one same length. Whatever is the length of BC, same length of arc, draw from B. Same length of arc, draw from A. You'll get your required point AB. And all will be equal, right? So in different ways it can be drawn. Clear hai? Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? ठीक है बच्चा? Clear? All right. Okay. चलो. Now let's come to our question of the day. Question of the day करते हैं. construct an equilateral triangle each of whose altitude measure 5.4 centimeter. Beta, for this you should know one thing, that in equilateral triangle each altitude measure 4 centimeter. We know all altitudes are of equal length. सारे altitudes equal length होते हैं. And also altitudes are medians as well. Altitudes जो होते हैं बेटा, altitudes ले लो तो they will also be the median, they will also be the angle bisector. Do all of us know that? सबको पता है ना ये बात, that in case of equilateral triangle, only because it is an equilateral triangle, the altitudes, which is the perpendiculars, are also median and they are also angle bisectors. Correct? So I know that suppose if I have an equilateral triangle over here, if I have an equilateral triangle over here, and if I want to draw an altitude, so I know this altitude will be lying at the midpoint. ये जो altitude होगा बेटा, that will be lying at the midpoint. Perpendicular भी है, so I can say this is like perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. So what we'll do, first thing we will draw a line segment. कोई भी एक बड़ा सा line segment खींच लो, a little bit big, like this. ठीक है? And then draw the perpendicular bisector. Let's say this is a line XY. This is a line XY, and we'll draw the perpendicular bisector for this line XY. चलो ये one cut over here, one cut over here, another cut over here, one more cut over here. This is our perpendicular bisector. So let's say this is the point D. This is perpendicular bisector. ठीक है? Now understand. One more thing guys, you need to note over here as well, that this perpendicular will be acting as an angle bisector also. In an equilateral triangle, it will be bisecting this angle also. 30 degree 30 degree भी करेगा. I know the length of AD is 5.4 centimeter. AD, perpendicular length, should be equal to 5.4 centimeter. So on this perpendicular bisector only, if I draw one arc of 5.4 centimeter, you will be getting your point A. तुमको तुम्हारा point A मिल गया. You got point T, then on this perpendicular bisector draw make one arc of 5.4 centimeter, you will get your point A. Right? Now I know that AD and AB, the angle between these two lines is 30 degree. So do one thing, draw an angle of 30 degree at A. 30 degree at A बनाओ भाई, angle of 30 degree. First cut will be 60. 60 को bisect करो 30. Similarly on this side as well, draw one semicircle. Draw one semicircle like this. First cut of 60. 60's half will be 30. So draw one line at 30 degree. Here draw another line also at 30 degree. Wherever these two lines are going, मतलब rough diagram है, will give you your B and C. ठीक है? This is how you will get your required triangle, because ये दोनों triangles जो है हम लोगों ने 30 degree and this one also 30 degree we have kept. Alright guys, ठीक है? So this is more like understanding the geometry, and then you can do this construction. For understanding construction, it is very important to understand geometry. But today Menti will not be possible. You know that the topic is construction. What Menti will do over here? है ना? Alright guys, ठीक है? So this is how this question will be done. Clear है guys? Okay. So ये try करना question को, important question. Two important questions. One is like, although the topics once you have understood, one is dividing a line in 4 equal parts and drawing this equilateral triangle. ठीक है? Try these questions, and yes, you can definitely try this question 22.5 degree, although I have told the answer. Try this. Alright. Remember, not all angles can be formed with compass. जरूरी नहीं है all angles you can form with compass. Some selected angles only can be drawn with compass. Okay, ठीक है guys. अच्छा, one more thing guys, link is given in the description box for the registration for Vedantu's Pro subscription. I have already told you, you are getting 10% off when you will be using this coupon code GPE Pro. Alright, okay? So the prices will go from 8,000 to 7,200 and from 10,000 to 9,000, and yes, it will reflect on this price as well. Here also you are getting 10% off for trial period as well. Alright guys, so the batches are starting. You can see one batch, just recently one batch has started. You can quickly join this batch as well, or you can join this batch as well if you want, but I would suggest jaldi se join kar lo yaar, because the more time you will get, the more like easily will be able to finish this. ठीक है? Yes Shreya. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. So this is all in today's class, and thank you so much for joining the session. Thank you so much to all of you for liking the video as well. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like the video before you leave. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification for all the upcoming classes. Alright, thank you so much guys. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you guys. Bye bye.